I did not expect that. On 2nd February, we got the mail that we are going to have a Build with AI event on 13th February. And I quickly registered for it. And see what happened. We got a chance to attend sessions taken by the developers who actually work at Google. Had tasty breakfast and delicious lunch. Hands-on practice for developing applications using Google Cloud Console. Swags along with snacks. And a beautiful experience at Novotel. We reached the location and we came to know about that we have to stand in a long queue for the registration. And this was the agenda for today, and these were the speakers invited. After getting the registration process completed, we had our breakfast. After finishing the breakfast, we headed to the convention center's big hall, where developers took the stage to speak. And this was the ID card given to us after the registration process.
And I believe Java Spring Boot application for this implementation. You will see a lot of references to Java, a lot of dependencies around.
After lunch, we went back to the same hall and sat a bit further front than the last time, and this time at a table instead of sitting at the back. In this session, we did a hands-on and built a contextual yoga pose recommender app using Firestore, Vector Search, LangChain and Gemini. And there were 3 options to choose. One was with Python, second was with Node.js and third was with Java. So I chose Node.js to build this. After the session ended, we received some swags and snacks.